Hi， 大家好，我是许阳。Hello, everyone. I'm Xu Yang. And lately, I received many questions from our learners, and they asked me, Xu Yang, can you make a video for us on how we can get a better experience with booking or check-in a hotel by using Chinese? And actually, most of foreigners, when they first arrive in China, it's difficult to them to book a hotel in Chinese because sometimes not every hotel staff can speak English well, and many foreigners cannot speak Chinese too. So most of the time, it will end up that the hotel reservation could not be successfully completed, and due to the miscommunication. So how can we bridge this gap? Don't worry, today on this video, let me introduce to you the most useful words and phrases that you immediately apply when you are booking a hotel, or about check-in, or you are already checked in a hotel. Let's go! And now let's start with the most basic word that you need to know: 酒店 hotel. When booking a hotel, it could be important for you at least to know their respective Chinese names. Let's start with the first one. 万豪国际酒店 Marriott International Hotel. And the second, 希尔顿 Hilton. And the third, 香格里拉酒店 Shangri-La Hotel. 丽兹卡尔顿酒店 The Ritz-Carlton. Which is your favorite? If your hotel is not here, and let us know in the comments on what is your favorite hotel. We could love hear from you. And there is where it gets interesting. Now here are some hotel related vocabulary when you booking a room. 酒店预订 hotel reservation. For example, 你好，我预订一个房间 Hello, I'd like to reserve a room. 酒店大厅 hotel lobby. 入住 check in. Of course, you have the ability to book the hotel room, but you have to know what are different room types to make it complete.
Suite.
单间 single room. 标准间
高级套房
standard room.
Suite Deluxe.
For example, 你好，请帮我订一个套房。
Please reserve a suite
Hello.
for me.
Okay, so how was the experience? Can you see how useful this will be when you are going into a hotel? And if this is helpful, I have another video that I am talking about how to request in the hotel like native Chinese, so that you will get more benefits. And if this interests you, stay tuned on our next upcoming videos. And I hope our videos have helped you. If this video gives you value, give us a thumbs up and let us know your comment below about this video, or if you have any suggestive topics for our upcoming videos, we can create it for you. If you know anyone that can benefit from this video, please share our videos to them as well. We could want to help and reach more students and help with their learning goal. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit that subscriber button below, because we are going to uploading videos every week for you, so that we can help you on your Chinese learning journey. And I will see you on our next videos. 我们下个视频见，拜拜。